In the quaint, book-laden study of Archana, a diligent English literature enthusiast and a hopeful academic, the atmosphere was thick with the weight of ambition and the crisp scent of new books. Archana had her sights set on becoming a university professor, a dream that hinged on clearing the National Eligibility Test, NET, with high marks. Despite her deep love for English literature and a robust understanding of language, the NET exam had always seemed like a formidable barrier. One drizzly evening, as Archana scrolled through resources online, she stumbled upon Cracking NTA UGC NET English, Volume 6. Initially skeptical due to past disappointments with subpar study guides, something about this book caught her eye. Perhaps it was the promise of a strategic companion designed to ensure thorough preparation. The day the book arrived, marked by its crisp A4 format, Archana flipped through the pages. Each chapter offered a wealth of information, systematically organized and filled with insights that resonated deeply with her academic quests. The book wasn't just about passing the exam, it was about mastering the nuances of English literature and language. As weeks turned into months, Archana found herself drawn to the book's unique features. The underline feature for key points in questions helped her focus on essential details, now enabling quicker revision and efficient study. The bold text for frequently asked questions highlighted significant patterns, focusing her attention on high-yield topics and ensuring that she was preparing for what was most likely to appear on the exam. But what truly set this guide apart was its depth. The section on reading and comprehension equipped her with techniques to dissect passages meticulously, fostering skills that were not just about answering exam questions, but were also invaluable for her future academic research. The detailed explanations of incorrect answers and insights into specific distractors honed her critical thinking, a skill every aspiring professor must possess. Each study session with the book by her side felt like a personal tutorial, as if the authors were conversing directly with her, understanding her needs and addressing her academic insecurities. The added commentary on the significance of topics made the historical and cultural contexts of literature come alive, deepening her appreciation and sparking a newfound excitement in her studies. The day of the NET exam arrived, and Archana walked into the hall with a calm confidence. The fears that once loomed large were now mere shadows. She recognized patterns in the questions, recalled critical details highlighted in her trusted guide, and tackled the comprehension sections with a precision she had honed over months of diligent study. Months later, as she opened her results, a joyful tear trickled down her cheek. Not only had she passed, but she had also scored among the top percentile. Archana knew that her success wasn't just due to her passion for English or her hard work. Cracking NTA UGC NET English Volume 6 had been her companion, her mentor, and her strategist. As she prepared to step into her role as a lecturer, Archana recommended the book to every aspiring NET candidate she met, knowing that within its pages lay the roadmap to not just passing an exam, but mastering a field of study and achieving one's dreams. And now, as you stand at the threshold of your journey, this book awaits to be your guide, just as it was for Archana. Don't hesitate. Let your story of success begin today.